Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a beginner friendly video on passion twist. This is my first time trying it out on my hair, so hopefully you guys like it. So some of the things you're needing, I'm using the Caribbean twist hair on 1B, rubber bands, my crochet needle, and Murray's edge wax. Alright, so let's get started. So first I'm just taking 4 strands of my Caribbean twist hair and kind of just spreading it apart, fluffing it out some. That way your twist will be kind of puffy and not so tight and small. So I wanted mine a little bit larger, so I used 4 pieces. So I'm just spreading them out here, kind of going from the middle to the end. You want the end to kind of still be intact, the way you can have a nice curl after you finish twisting it. And then you just kind of twist the middle of the hair that you're going to put in the crochet needle. The way it'll be easier for you to loop it and put it into that. So I did that. I'm using my crochet needle from my local beauty supply store. There it is, a little hook on it. So I already have some of my hair sectioned off into ponytails with the rubber bands. I'm just taking a piece. I want to stick my little needle underneath the rubber band, so have the latch open the way it makes it easier so your hair doesn't get snagged on it. So there it is, and I don't know why I put it in there like that, y'all, but it's staying up on my glasses. So take the little loop it around the hook of the needle, and then you want to close your little latch and pull it through. Loop the hair the way you'll be able to pull 1 strand of the curls straight through, and that'll create the knot at the top of your ponytail. So you just want to pull both the sides, make sure it's tight. The ones around my edges are not as tight as some of the other ones are because I didn't want to be pulling out my hair. So, and then you want to just split your 2 pieces of hair in half, and you can begin to twist once you do that. And I use the edge wax on my hair prior to putting the crochet hair in. That way it'll already be slicked down. Because I am natural, my hair gets frizzy really quickly. So I've already put a good amount of edge wax. And then you just start twisting as tight as you can, securing your hair with the crochet hair. So I'm just twisting all the way down. I may pull in the middle just to make sure I'm getting a nice firm tight twist on it. So you want to twist it all the way down to the end of your hair, however long you may have it. Just keep twisting. Alright, so I'm almost done with this one, just twisting it down. It's long, so it's taking me quite a while to get it twisted to the end. You can always just hold it in your mouth too and twist the ends of it. That way you can get it good, twist it tight, and get your little curl. I did not like the way the little curl came out at the end of this. I should have put a little bit more beeswax or some kind of eco styler on it to curl that end up. So I'm going to do another one just to show y'all. So again, you just want to spread your hair out, get it fluffy. I have 4 strands of the Caribbean twist hair by Model that I'm using. So I'm just fluffing it out, spreading it out, getting it ready for my twist. See, the pattern is still intact. The ends are pretty much still tight. So you twist the middle of it the way you'll be able to put it on the hook of your crochet needle, and it'll be easier for you to pull it through when you're putting it on your ponytail. So stick your needle through under the braid, pull it through, then you'll loop the hair through. Take 1 piece, pull it through, tighten it out. Once you get it pulled through there, I don't know how I got my hair stuck. I'm gonna pull that out of there. Go and get that out as soon as I see it and realize it. And then you can start twisting it. Split it in 2s. and begin to twist. And I use the edge wax on this one as well, just to make sure I try to keep my hair as blended as possible. And that's what it looks like, Murray's Edge Wax. That's what it looks like. So I'm just twisting all the way down, securing it, make sure my hair is nice and smooth in with the twist in the hair. Since it's so wet looking and looks like real juicy, it's like how you really want them. Like you want them juicy looking. I like them juicy looking. I think they're really cute. So you want to do that. Now this style took me, oh my goodness, 6 hours. I did stop, talked, watched TV, ate, and then got back to it. But it's really time consuming. And I think by it being my first time, I don't think 6 hours, 6.5 hours is bad. Hopefully you guys liked it. I think I love the style. It's really cute. I've seen a lot of girls wearing it and all that, but I think it's a really nice style. A cute little protective style for the summer. It's hot. It's too hot to be wearing your natural hair out here. Wait, rewind. Your natural hair out here, y'all. So do it like that. So now I finished that one. So I hope you guys like the end result of it. So this is what it looks like after it was done and I finished it. I think it turned out really cute for my first time doing it. And I put a little jewelry in it. And it took me about 6.5 hours, 7 packs of hair. So I hope you guys like it. If you liked it, thumbs up. Leave me comments down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.